Hi there, and thank you for checking out the Connor Whiteley Starter Kickstarter. So I'm a Connor Whiteley, and I'm really excited and really grateful that you've checked out this Kickstarter. Because what this Kickstarter is about is that I absolutely love writing a series, and because the really fun Kickstarter challenge that happens every single January, which is the Make 100 challenge. What I've decided to do is I've decided to take 100 of my short stories that are spread across my five my best-selling and some of my personal favourite series, and I've decided to create five different collections, just so you readers can get your hands on some great gripping fiction, and you can also dive into some new series, and then you can find out what other books are in the series too. So this is basically a starter kick towards some of my favourite series. And this Kickstarter also has some brilliant merch products which I'm so excited about. For example, you've got mugs, sports bottles, a hardback journal, which I definitely want for myself, and I'm looking forward to when that comes, and the fleece blanket, which is another one I'm very excited about. So these five different series are my Better English Private Eye series, which is a women's sleeve private investigator series, of which I flat out love writing because that's always fun. Also, it's my Agent of the Emperor science fiction series, so that's far future science fiction, action, adventure, and a space opera, so very fun. And also, just to help make this Kickstarter even more special, I'm actually releasing the first 20 short stories in my Way of the Odyssey series, which is a brand new series. It's never been released before. You guys get early access to it, so I'm definitely excited about that because it's science fiction mixed with fantasy elements. And then the fourth one is my Kendra O'Connor mysteries, which is all about the tired London detectives that are trying to solve London's toughest, darkest, and most twisted code cases. That's always a lot of fun to write. And then finally is my gay romance series, which is always tons of fun. There's some really heart-warming, heart-melting, and just really emotional books there. So if you love romance, you're definitely going to love that series. So thank you for checking out the Kickstarter. There are tons of great books and great rewards for you to check out. So thanks again for checking it out, and back to Kickstarter now.